बजे होटल कान्हा श्याम में वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फेडरेशन के साथ बर्ड्स ऑफ ए फेदर कैलेंडर 2022 के अनावरण का कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया, जिसमें डॉक्टर अर्पित बंसल द्वारा ली गई तस्वीरें छपी हैं। प्रोफेसर सुहेल अकबर ने संचारी के आवारा पक्षी क्लब और फोटोग्राफी के महत्व पर प्रकाश डाला। डॉक्टर अर्पित बंसल ने एक भावुक वन्यजीव फोटोग्राफर होने की अपनी यात्रा और अनुभवों को साझा किया। डॉक्टर बंसल का डेस्क कैलेंडर 2022, जिसमें अमोर फाल्कन, लिटिल स्पाइडर जैसे पक्षियों की रंगीन और विशद तस्वीरें हैं, जिसका अनावरण संजय गोयल, कमिश्नर प्रयागराज व डॉक्टर वंदना बंसल ने किया। संचारी की कार्यक्रम समन्वय ताहिरा काजमी ने बताया कि महत्वपूर्ण अतिथियों और वन्यजीव उत्साही लोगों की उपस्थिति ने आयोजन को एक बड़ी सफलता दिलाई है। कार्यक्रम में तमाम गणमान्य लोग उपस्थित रहे।
फिल्म मेकर and what not. It is our luck that he is also part of this bird club. Sir, I would like to invite you here to throw some light, tell us about the significance of this club and also about photographs, photography. The stage is all yours, sir. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Tahira. Matter of great pleasure and honor for me to be here present at this occasion. Usually I live in Delhi and I'm here for my winter vacation, but I've known Arpit as a friend, as a birding guide, as an excellent photographer. I take this opportunity to say that I have seen a lot of photography. I've seen a lot of wildlife photography. I myself do a lot of wildlife photography, but the quality of Arpit's pictures is right there. He has really achieved a kind of quality that the best photographers in the world do. So it's my great honor to be present at this occasion and to talk about a little bit about birding. We are a small motley crowd. Here we started a small club or a group under the able guidance of Shri Raghu Sinha, who's unfortunately or fortunately in the hills right now taking pictures of birds. He's rare, somewhere in -2 degrees, -5 degrees temperature. He has been our great guide. उन्होंने हमारी बहुत, हम लोगों को सबको, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, डॉक्टर उर्मी हैं यहाँ पे. There are many others who have kind of who are nature enthusiasts. We are not just photographers, we are people who go out, and इलाहाबाद itself, जहाँ पे गंगा जमुना का संगम है, वहाँ पे चिड़ियाँ क्यों नहीं होंगी, और भांति भांति की चिड़ियाँ आती हैं. इस समय भी बहुत सारी माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स आई हुई हैं. 3 दिन पहले मैं गया था झूसी की तरफ, और एक बहुत बड़ा फ्लॉक गर्ल्स का तो है ही, जो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. पाइड एवोसेट्स एक और बर्ड्स होती हैं जिनका 50 का. स्किमर्स, अर्पित ने बहुत सुंदर तस्वीरें पिछले कैलेंडर में भी छपी थी. हम लोगों को सिर्फ मालूम था कि स्किमर्स चंबल नदी में मिलते हैं, पर इन्होंने और मार्क ने, शायद मार्क भी यहाँ मौजूद हो, डिस्कवर किया कि पापामाऊ के पास एक बहुत बड़ा अगेन एक फ्लॉक स्किमर्स का आके बस गया है, जिसकी हम लोग जब भी हमें मौका मिलता है हर 5-6 महीने पर जाके तस्वीरें खींचते हैं. सो there is, what I'm trying to say, a motley group of people who have expanded the education about nature, about birds, about our love for nature, and especially in these difficult times through the COVID phase when we were all now locked up inside our house. I myself can say that being locked up in my house in Allahabad, I photographed 33 species of birds from my rooftop. हम लोग सिर्फ पिजन्स और क्रोस को देखते हैं, बट अगर हम अपनी आंखें खोलें और थोड़े से भी अपने कान खोले रखें, तो कभी हमें कबूतर की आवाज़ और कौवों की आवाज़ के अलावा उल्लू की भी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है, ट्रीपाइस की भी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है, वॉबलर्स की भी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. सो मैं इस मंच से मैं आप लोगों से भी कहना चाहूँगा कि अर्पित की तस्वीरें आपको बहुत इंस्पायर करेंगी. अर्पित ने बहुत सुंदर तस्वीरें खींची, और अर्पित ने तो खैर आप लोगों को पता नहीं कितनों को मालूम हो, इंडिया में कोई अबाउट 1300 स्पीशीज ऑफ बर्ड्स हैं, एंड अर्पित इज रीचिंग दैट. आई मीन ही इज चेजिंग बर्ड्स, एंड ही इज, आई थिंक एट हिज यंग एज ही विल वेरी सून बी one of the pioneers in photographing all the birds. A month ago, I had the great fortune of traveling to the eastern part, most part of the country.
Some bird photographs by fellow birders like me who make it public, and then so it is a commendable job that this I'm talking about 5 lakhs dead from 5 to 6 years before, and it has gone down to a few thousand this year. This year I had an update. So many, very less Amur falcons died because of awareness, and because the local public is also getting aware that because of those birds, the people come, so they also get their livelihood. So that is why. And this bird was luckily to be spotted in Lonavala, which is nowhere close to the usual location of northeast. But this was just by a chance that this bird, and it was seeming happy. So I'm pretty sure that it was cooperating. It was feeling the love which humans have showed and stopped killing them because of hunting. The second bird for February is a little spider hunter, and it is a bird which is sitting on a red ginger flower. This is also very just a matter of chance to capture this image. Let's come to the March. It is a very beautiful trogon. It is called red-headed trogon. This is one of the most colorful trogons, and it is found in the densest forest. It is found in a true rainforest of India, which is called Dahing Fatkai, and it looks so amazing to just feed in the field with red colors in a deep, dense rainforest is amazing. This bird again it's like a very, very rare bird, and it's a very shy bird. It's called the Blitz tragopan, and it is only seen in the northeast. There's a place called Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, and it is seen, but it usually remains in dense forest, thick forest. So it hardly comes out. It's a very shy bird, and it was a pure matter of luck and maybe blessing of the Mother Nature where it chose to cross the road just in front of me. I was just sitting on the road, hoping that it might turn up from the bushes and I'll be able to get a shot, and it decided to cross the road. This is a beautiful sunbird. Sunbirds are beautiful birds which are there all in all of India, and in Allahabad there are purple sunbirds which is very common, and I'm pretty sure if you make a notice of it, everyone will be able to see this bird in their backyard. This is a nuthatch. Nuthatch is usually climb trees up and down. They have a talent to climb tree up and down, and they feed on tree barks. But this was a rare moment where it came down to drink water. This is an oriental dwarf kingfisher. It is the rarest, it is the smallest kingfisher of almost all of the world, and it has 7 sparkling colors, and it is also only seen during monsoon. It is an oriental dwarf kingfisher. This owl is a very special owl. It was mottled wood owl, and it was clicked in Prayagraj in Allahabad near HRI in Juicy. It was clicked, and previously there were no records of this owl found in Allahabad and the vicinity area, but with Professor Chandan Dilawat sir, who is a senior professor in HRI and a very, very avid birder, we were lucky to spot this bird. And this is a yellow browed bulbul, and it is again commonly seen in the southern of India. This bird is again a very, very rare winter visitor. It is a lesser kestrel. So there's a common kestrel which is a very much common winter visitor, but this lesser kestrel is a like if 1,000 common kestrel comes, then one in among the 1,000 mein one.
Profession is a passion. It is very rare. Some are very fortunate, maybe for some of them. But it is very, very important to have a balance between the profession and passion. प्रोफेशन हमें सिर्फ जिंदा रखती है, लेकिन पैशन हमारे अंदर एक लाइफ लाती है। और जब हम प्रोफेशन और पैशन के बीच में बैलेंस करके और फैमिली को भी थोड़ा बैलेंस कर लेते हैं, देन इट इज़ ए रियल लाइफ। और अर्पित ने वही किया है, क्योंकि ही वॉज ऑलवेज आफ्टर सर्जरी एंड लॉन्ग एंड डिफिकल्ट सर्जरी, सो व्हेनेवर ही वॉज ए रेसिडेंट एंड ही विल कॉल मी, मम्मी आज मैंने 8 घंटे सर्जरी, 8 hours. Like I used to be astonished, but he used to be very happy for long surgeries for 8 hours, 10 hours, and laparoscopic surgery really requires the patience. It really requires the patience, and he was very good at it. And then when he started for the birding, I never stopped him. Whenever I used to go with him, even for a holiday, he will wake me up at 5 o'clock, और मुझे भी birding लेके जाता है। चलो चलो कहाँ चलना है, ओके ओके विल गो फॉर द बर्डिंग। So even I used to follow him, and I used to be very happy and never stopped him. And I'm very, very happy for him today that he could reach to this height. I didn't know that that small hobby will turn out this way. I never thought that. Even though he was not married, Pooja had come here, and I always believe that hobby is very important. So in your children, always cultivate a hobby. I think during the COVID also, it is the hobbies who kept us real alive. I don't consider a person without hobby. So the Pooja was here, and just I took her to Raghu Bhaiya for the photography. Manika is very good, you learn. And the Pooja was very good at photos. And then I don't know from when the Arpit took it on, and then he took it to this label. I was really shocked. I have all my blessings to him. And I really thank Commissioner Sir, Sanjay ji, for coming here and to bless this occasion. I'm really thankful to you, sir. I would like to thank Sanchari. Sanchari, as the name is, as she said, they are really teaching us not only to keep a balance between our profession and passion, but to become attached to our heritage, to our India, to our real India. Because I had been with them on the Sanchari, tours and the walks, and I used to love them, and I used to be astonished कि हमें नहीं पता अपने इंडिया के मॉन्यूमेंट के हिस्ट्री हमें नहीं पता।
सभी खबरों को देखने के लिए जुड़े रहिए अज़बाब हिंदुस्तान न्यूज़ चैनल से।